Fortune Insider predicted the Bitcoin crash of 19 May, but before that, let me give you a little bit more information. China announced that they has banned financial institutions and payment companies from providing services related to cryptocurrencies transactions and warned investors against speculative crypto trading. Under the ban, such institutions, including banks and online payment channels, must not offer clients any service involving cryptocurrencies, such as registration, trading, clearing, and settlement. It is good to say that China has banned only crypto exchanges and initial coin offering, but has not banned individuals from holding cryptocurrencies. That means you can still hold your cryptocurrencies in China legally. As you can see, this channel is new, so make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to see more crypto videos, and hit the like because this will help the growing of this channel a lot. Small disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and you should not consider my opinion as a real financial advice. Let's continue now. This is not the first time China trying to slow down the crypto market. It happened also in 2017, in 2019. China banned Bitcoin exchanges 2014 already, and you can see from this graph how much Bitcoin has grown since then. The price of Bitcoin 2014 was around $350 per Bitcoin. Yeah, it seems very funny now. So even though China is a big whale, it doesn't really matter for the market. That's why I have a strong belief in the cryptocurrencies, because these big whales can shake a little bit the market, can maybe crash it, but it will always recover. There is no such a thing like destroying the crypto market. So don't worry guys, keep that diamond hands, don't sell, and eventually it will pay you off. And what I really think about this situation is that if China doesn't find a way to work together with the cryptocurrencies, with the Bitcoin, another country will take this opportunity and China will just end up losing a lot of money. A lot of easy, let's say easy profit. Or maybe China is just trying to shake off the market because they have a lot of holdings in Bitcoin and they're trying to make a lot of profit in very short time. And all these news with China trying to ban Bitcoin exchanges, crypto market, this is all old news and they're just trying to create food again. And also, to be completely honest with you, I kinda like it when the whole crypto market crashes, because this gives me opportunity to buy crypto on discount. And why do you think Elon Musk is saying such a things on Twitter? Last week he said how Bitcoin is bad for the environment. This week he's posting diamond hands, Tesla is not going to sell any of the Bitcoins. I'm telling you guys, if Bitcoin was so bad for the environment and if they were thinking like this, they would sell all their Bitcoins immediately, or at least let's say 50%, and they will buy XRP, Dogecoin, the one and only Dogecoin. But they're not doing that. He's just shaking off the market and he's probably buying the dip. Just read this. Tesla makes more money trading Bitcoin than selling cars. That can speak a lot. Let's say you have a company for selling laptops. You make $1,000 each month. And then you think, oh, let's buy some iPhones and try to sell them. You buy iPhones and then the same month you make $20,000 profit. And then you say it is bad for the environment and you refuse to take the profit of $20,000, but instead you just keep the $1,000 profit because it is better for the environment. To make a Tesla car, you have to produce also batteries. Batteries are also bad for the environment. They are probably worse than Bitcoin miners. Coming to something very interesting, and this is the guy who predicted perfectly the crash of Bitcoin. This is a Fortune Insider. Fortune is a simple image-based bulletin board where anyone can post comments and share images anonymously. So let's say Fortune is something like Twitter but anonymously. This is what the guy said on Fortune. There will be another announcement from China soon. Picture is semi-related. So this picture says China will recycle used white guys. Can't tell you guys what firm I work for, but it's massive and it's working with the PRC. The purpose of today's press release, alongside all the food posting, is to get Bitcoin as low as it can before 7 AM UCT. So in this first part you can already see that he knew immediately what is going on, and it makes me very curious for which company he is working for. First, there will be a coordinated sell-off to drop the prices below a certain threshold and liquidate one certain stakeholder. Can't outright say who he is, but he bought a lot at the dip that he was partly responsible for. There is again this bump in my head, and then I think immediately, who is responsible for the Bitcoin crash? No, but think realistically guys. Who is that one particular stakeholder who is responsible partly for crashing Bitcoin? I'm immediately thinking for Elon Musk. Once liquidated, the plan is then to buy all the reserves and essentially leave him bankrupted. After reading this part, I immediately think logically that this is not Elon Musk. Even though Bitcoin is destroyed and dropped to $0, you cannot bankrupt Tesla or Elon Musk in general. Or maybe he invested more money than he is saying. If you guys want to get rich, grab some coffee and watch for the big dip. Once it happens, things are going to get green really fast. We project 70k. The end part didn't happen, well, at this moment, but as I said, eventually we will get to 70k. To be honest, it makes all sense now why China has posted this exactly now. They wanted to shake the crypto market and drop the price even more before the big dip. And did they really want to liquidate one particular stakeholder, or this is just an insider and China told him to post this on Fortune and we to know some secret badass information about China's secret mission? This is also a really good possibility. Let's see what happened to the prices after the crash. Bitcoin is holding 18th of May 45,000 and going straight into the small crash, $39,000, then going to the big crash, $32,000. 30 minutes after, recovering to 36,000, and few hours after that again back to $40,000 per Bitcoin. This is around 30% drop in one day. This is crazy. Going straight into Ethereum, $3,400 per Ether, then going immediately to $2,000, and this is 40% drop. Cardano went from around $2, the lowest point is $1.06, and this is almost 50% drop. And the last but not the least, the one and only Dogecoin went from 50 cents to 32 cents. I don't think this is the end of the bull run. We got few more weeks before the bear market, and the bear market, I don't think this time will be that bad. More people started understanding Bitcoin and the whole crypto concept, so they will not panic, sell off immediately when we hit the bear market. Cryptocurrencies are getting every day more and more popular among the people around the world. For example, my grandpa has no idea how to work with a laptop or with a smartphone, but he has heard of Bitcoin. He knows that Bitcoin exists. Ethereum has built also a good relationships with the investors, and after the NFTs, the people believe more and more in the Ethereum world. I even think that Bitcoin is going to hit 100k this year because more and more companies are going to invest in Bitcoin, and also Tesla is speaking about the environment, but as I said, they are not selling their Bitcoin. Why? Because most probably they will buy more and more Bitcoins. All these tweets and all these dumps are theater. Make sure you don't panic sell everything you have, because then you will only end up losing a lot of money. If you think in what should I invest this month or at this moment, I would say make a good research in what you invest your money. Have faith, believe in it, because when the price drops and crashes again, you won't be that stressed. If you're going to invest your money in one of the top 20, I don't think you will regret your decision after a few years. The real question is, who is that guy who gave us this information that the Bitcoin is going to drop, to crash? Is this guy some agent of China and he's putting this on the internet just to make us fools? And if it is true what he's saying, I hope he is still alive. Now it makes me very curious, which is this stakeholder that China, the whole country, want to liquidate. This is most probably a big whale, and let me make a small prediction. Tesla invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. He has around, maybe let's say 100 billion invested in Bitcoin. Otherwise, why China will even bother to do such a thing? Let me in the comments down below, what do you think is going on in the world right now? Hit the like because it helps a lot for the YouTube channel. Subscribe if you want to see more crypto videos, and see ya!